What did you get, Bree? What is that? Hey, Bree, what's today? Is today your birthday? Okay. Bree, did you just tell your daddy to hush?
Bree. Bree.
Where'd it go? Oh, it's all gone. Hey, Bree. No. Why don't you leave that alone? What are you eating? Are you eating Swedish fish?
Fishy?
Because it's your birthday? Do you know how old you are? Do you know how old you are, Bree? Because today's your birthday.
Bree.
Can you say hush, please? Hush, please.
Bree.
Say please. Oh my gosh, a whole mouthful of Swedish fish and now you're going to have a cookie? Oh my goodness. It's a good thing birthdays only come once a year.